As I mentioned earlier, and you've had time to think about it, the workshop that we've promised the Turangi-Tongariro and other people for that matter, we should hold, in my opinion, we should hold that in Turangi, and we're thinking, oh, you've done it. We're thinking of Tuesday the 16th, and we'd also like on that day to finish the workshop on community engagement strategy. We could hold these in Turangi, and my thoughts are in collusion with the staff and a few ideas. And I think what we should do is give staff today here a list of the people that we would like to address us at that workshop. It would be an open workshop, but we will just have a list of people we would invite to address you councillors and community board members, such as Turangi-Tongariro, some business people, maybe families of McLean, Todd, and what were the other names. Not just going to have an open floor, but I think those important people, plus staff, are to come back on that date with the costings that have been talked about regarding business rebranding and business cards and things like that. So if you're all in agreement with that, that would be October 16th. No dissension? Okay, Councillor Dana?
We're just happy with that. Just the workshop on the bus shelter, the first one, it's in the school holidays and I've got a camp away with it, so I put my apologies in for that workshop, the first one. The 16th one is outside the school holidays, so
well, I mean, if everybody else can make it, as long as we have a workshop and have a quorum, as long as we have the majority of us here, I'm happy.
I'll be an apology second as well.
And we'll lose 2, 3, 4.
It's just in school holidays.
All too many. Okay. When do you need this bus shelter option done by, Ms. Jack, or some boy?
I'd really like to be there too, because it was another controversial.
Yeah, we're looking for a date now, Mike. So what's the date that will suit?
We've got some workshops on Tuesday the 23rd.
Turangi-Tongariro community board meeting, but that means we lose Gary and Rob.
On the 23rd, we've got Onshore Park.
What about Tuesday the 16th? Well, that's only an hour. I know you've only got an hour, but can't we do it on the same day?
We're going to Turangi for this Turangi-Tongariro.
Even if it would be finished by 1, even if you gave an extra hour, and then it's all in one day.
So, should we call this workshop in Turangi, say 9 a.m? Like we've got mothers here to get babies off, say 10 a.m. Through, it could be like a little bit longer than you think. 3 to 2.
Well, you've only got 10 to 11.
That was the community engagement one strategy, but the Turangi Street one could probably go from 10 till 12.
Turangi's not on here, I'm trying to get it.
Oh, it's not like it was on the new one, sorry.
No. So the Turangi Street one could go
Tuesday the
from
16th in Turangi, I would like to just leave it alone. We've got to pay this a fair amount of attention. So community engagement strategy, street name changes that day. Right, now when can we have a workshop on those verandas? That suits. Can it go on Tuesday the 23rd with the Bonshore and concept proposal for Lake Terrace traffic calming? Lake Terrace traffic calming, we haven't got any money anyway. It's not even our lakefront yet.
Yeah, we are. Funding and it's got the design.
Yeah.
That was like
what I'm asking is, can it fit that day?
That's on negotiation and the change over the
no, this is some development work more around the 2 Mile Bay area and changing to 50k and pushing out the boundaries further out.
Transit New Zealand.
We
have also put some money on the understanding that when we own that road, that's it available.
Can I do the 23rd?
For the bus shelter.
Yeah, 2 to 3.
So I'm going to ask one more time. On the 23rd, you've got a proposed workshop for Bonshore Park and concept proposal for Lake Terrace traffic coming to my bay. Can we do the bus shelters on that day? Yes. Along with that? We agree. Thank you.
Events on there as well.
Yes, we do.
But we can still do it.
Yeah. It's basically the whole day already
Okay, so we're going to squeeze those bus shelters into that Tuesday the 23rd, okay?
Yeah.
Agreed, thank you.
Nothing on the second.
Tuesday the 16th will be in Turangi doing the community engagement and street stand. Right, what else? You've got Tuesday the 23rd, you've also got performance monitoring group.
Yep.
So you're going to put that in?
Yep.
So
We do that at 5 o'clock with a beer.
Yep.
Okay, so that's all cool. So right, anything else? Oh, I just want to notify to everybody. You heard me mention for Taupo Airport Authority in future will always be 11 a.m. whenever it finishes, allowing one of my members to travel from Cambridge tomorrow.
Yep. Mr. Chair, since Dylan left the council, we've kind of been languishing a bit with regards to the Sister City Committee, and I think Cheryl suggested that that maybe Keith and I get together with her, and then we have a workshop around reforming that committee. I think what Dylan consulted on was what did the committee want, but in actual fact, the reality of it is that they want to leave from council because it's us that's funding them, and we're just concerned that if we don't reform a committee, a lot of that information is in your mayoral office, and if Cheryl was to, not to be in the team or there to advise us, then there's no formal structure around that sister city, which is really important to pull together all the members of the community to help host and carry out the functions of the sister city.
What you're saying is that we'd like it to go back to Sister City. That's the main
Well, I would just like to say in response to Councillor Williams, Sister Cities hasn't languished since Dylan Taha left as council. Sister Cities has languished since the last election.
Yeah.
Now, we had a Sister City committee that worked very, very well. A lot of them were out-of-town people, and Julian Blight was the chair, and Rose Blakey, and Joan Williams, and all sorts of people. They all resigned, they all exited stage left. No one filled their shoes. I was told many times that coming back to council with this new way of running it.
No.
Well,
No, it's not.
It changed when it went to international committee, and that's what we've now been doing. Go back to what it was.
The people resigned not because of lack of interest. They're waiting for a lead from council, and we'd like the opportunity to put some structure around that and get it going again.
So try your workshop into this calendar.
Well, it really only would need to be half an hour or something like that. It's not.
I'm all keen for a workshop. It's not, that's all. It's not Nicola's proposal.
I did just go back, so Sister Cities went to international. What did that mean?
We don't know really.
That's what we're trying to find out.
It was almost as if they were stepping on the feet of the work that EGLT's doing.
It was officially called the International Committee. Relationships, international relationships, that's it, Tina.
Who changed it to that?
That was done quite a while ago.
Yeah, quite a while ago. Yeah, it was always called international relations.
That doesn't make a difference. It's international relations. Anyway, that's fine. Yep.
So
I mean, it's difficult for Cheryl and I because we get heaps of letters of school kids coming over, and we get invited to New Year, and I'm going like, we can't get a direction from a committee because we don't have a committee. It's sort of just.
Yeah, they're looking for direction from us. So the previous members of the sister city and the people that are still very much, I understand, supporting Cheryl if she goes to them with visiting
You've got some people supporting you there, Cheryl.
Yeah.
Who's still keen on?
Grace Blackley, Lynn Michelle, the ones that were at that.
That was basically, if I remember rightly, basically we allowed that Sister City International Relations Committee to be sort of not councillors, more those people at the coalface, the Blackleys and the
friendships.
Friendship forces
and people like that, didn't we?
But they still get a $25,000 grant, Your Worship, and we just think that we should be responsible for it.
Have we had it this year?
That's in the bin, it's not you.
Yes.
It's in the pigeonhole.
It's held by council.